the Ekadashi movement of Parampara. Today's Ekadashi program is created to create awareness. Awareness about ourselves, our relationship with nature, and the divine eternal principle within all of us. It is also to bring awareness about our great Indian traditions. The Indian tradition is the most profound tradition. It has organized life with a clear understanding that all that is external is changing, and in the heart of all is seated the unchanging, eternal divine principle. With such an understanding, the individual is asked to balance his activities both within and without. Our seers also knew that the mind and senses have a tendency to run outside, so they devise proper techniques by which one could gather these and look within. The goal of life then is not only acquiring knowledge or wealth or fulfilling our desires in the world outside, but it is also acquiring knowledge of our own nature and understanding the source from which all life issues. Ekadashi and other such days were observed to look within. When we evaluate ourselves only by our achievements and acquisitions in the outer world, life becomes full of greed, envy, and violence. Without looking within, we do not know that others also come from the same source as we, and that we are not competitors, but we have to cooperate, tolerate, and in the growth of all lies our own growth. When we learn to look within, slowly we understand that our nature and the nature of others. We learn to accept ourselves. We know that we are not different. We know that we are different, yet we are interdependent. We learn to respect others for what they are. For example, a woman then does not compete with a man. She knows her own nature and that she is a mother, the nourisher and nurturer of life. She fulfills her joy, her role with joy and happiness. There is no competition. In such an atmosphere of understanding, there is appreciation, cooperation, and protection. Observing Ekadashi is then a habit of paying attention, a habit of reflection, introspection, at least once a fortnight. Habits once formed go a long way in creating a harmonious and a happy society. This is what we mean by observing Ekadashi. It would be great if our children get few hours on the Ekadashi day in their schools for paying attention and concentration. Not on some faraway God, but things very near, the earth, the sky, the sea, just a village or a tree. And as they learn to cultivate attention outside, they can be slowly asked to observe their own thoughts without evaluating. When practiced regularly on a particular day, these habits then get entrenched in our lives, and slowly we learn to extend this awareness at all times. By proper thinking, we take from nature only what is required. Only what is required for our growth, and we do not waste a large portion of our youth in imitating others, for we now know our own individual nature. We learn to become confident not by comparing ourselves with others. We do not hoard things only for ourselves, and sharing becomes natural. Thus, the Indian tradition insisted on contemplation on certain days so that we can learn to control our mind and perform our duties with right understanding in the world. Parampara would be organizing monthly programs on Ekadashi for creating this awareness, and we request all